Best known for their high quality filters covering a range of cameras as well as the high quality lenses found in modern smartphones nowadays, Sandmarc know having quality lighting is the best way to make your photos or videos really come alive. And so to complete your mobile photography kit, Sandmarc present this, the ProLight. Available in two flavors, the Bi-Color and the RGB, both units have distinct similarities but can be used in completely different ways. The Bi-Color is the more basic unit of the two, but is also the company's brightest offering with a max of 1500 lux at 0.5 meters, which is pretty impressive considering its size. Packaged in a rather neat box, the unit comes with this slightly oversized silicone diffuser, and although it's a nice fit, it can be easily removed, and I found using the light in this configuration performed perfectly well regardless. With the 120 high quality LEDs visible on the front of the unit behind a built-in plastic diffusion plate. With the silicone diffuser off, the panel is very compact and portable, being only just shy of 112mm on its longest side and a mere 10mm thick, easily portable enough to slide comfortably into your camera bag or even directly into your pocket, protected within a handy carry pouch that's also included in the package. Primarily metal in construction, it certainly carries a solid and robust feel in the hand. On the bottom we find a 1/4" 20 thread for mounting onto tripods or other accessories, with a handy cold shoe mount adapter also included for mounting directly to the top of your camera should you prefer. On the side is the control for adjusting brightness or color temperature. Press in the rocker to change mode and push it up and down to dial in the value. Finally, along the top we have a USB-C charging port used to charge the built-in 3000 mAh battery using the supplied USB-C charging cable, which should last for around 100 minutes of constant usage at 100% brightness. That's rather impressive considering its small size. Next to this we have the unit's main power button, rubber coated with a nice tactile response once pressed. With the unit powered, we will receive some status information on the built-in rear OLED display, namely battery status, brightness and color temperature, using the rocker switch to increase or decrease values, and pressing it in to switch between brightness and temperature. It really can't get any easier. With a CRI of 95+, the Sandmarc ProLight Bi-Color offers quality LED lighting all the way from 3000 to 6500K. It's easy to dial in the color temperature to your shooting location and match it with most lighting conditions, and it really does make a big difference to your static shots or video projects. Thanks to its compact size, it's easy to place in most scenarios, and it actually gets rather bright too at its highest 1500 lux setting, although can get rather warm at this setting due to those high-powered LEDs. Part of the parcel with lights such as these. No problems with usage at all though, it all works wonderfully well. If Bi-Color isn't enough or you want to throw some more interesting colours into the mix, the ProLight RGB provides over 16 million hues to match creative ideas. It is a bit more expensive but provides extra functionality as well as a special effects mode too, along with all the accessories included with the Bi-Color. Design-wise, it's almost identical to the Bi-Color. It is a tad thicker, but the mounting point, dial, rocker and power button are all in the same positions. And it carries the same high quality construction too. With the unit powered on, the OLED display springs to life, again displaying battery status, although here we have some extra options. Pressing in the adjustment dial allows changes to hue, saturation and brightness, and you literally have millions of colours to go through here, finding the exact shade that suits your subject best. It's a bit of trial and error to start with, but you'll soon come to learn the exact numbers of colours you use most often, so we'll be able to hit them spot on every time. One additional feature on the ProLight RGB though is the FX mode. With a single press of the power button, the RGB light enters FX mode, which enables special effects for an SOS mode, lightning simulation, police lights and more, up to 9 different modes in fact, making it quick and easy to create special effects directly in your video projects. The combination of colours and the special effects modes makes the ProLight RGB a powerful creative tool that is easy to pack along for any shoot. When used together though, the Sandmarc ProLights are a great way to add little pops of colour into your shots. Because of their small size and portability, both lights are incredibly handy to have along for shoots and can be set up in no time to add some creative light to any scene. As such, the ProLights would appear to represent very good value. They can be mounted anywhere and can be used as anything from an eye light to a small key or as an accent light. They can be hidden in the background and used to create interest to backdrops, or be used as fake practical lights, such as pretending to be the light emitted from a television or an emergency vehicle, for instance. These are by no means the only mini LED lights of this type on the market though, but the Sandmarc ProLights are very nicely built and very easy to use. As such, they've certainly found a home in my camera bag and come well recommended.